Hi everybody! Today I'm going to do a quick pattern review on Simplicity 8606, which is a wrap skirt with a flounce. I am wearing, and I made, view D. So you can see here, it's got the nice little flounce that goes up and around, and you'll see it on the skirt I'm wearing in a minute. I also like view C, so I think I might make that one at some point. But these are all pretty cute skirts, and I really do like this pattern. So let me talk a little bit about it before we kind of look at the skirt. It was a very easy pattern to put together, to sew. The techniques weren't difficult. There is a buttonhole on the side here because this is where this little wrap piece, it comes through and then it goes all the way around the back, and then it meets up with this front panel and it ties together. So that's how the skirt stays on. The one thing that I did have trouble with was for some reason, my skirt waistline was too big for the waistband, and I think it's probably a user error. I did something wrong. I don't know what it is, because I went on pattern review and some users said they didn't have that problem. So what I did to fix that is I just put in a basting stitch on the skirt piece on the waistline to ease the skirt in, and that worked really well. The fabric I chose is a rayon. It's a crinkle rayon, and I got it at Joann's, and it's just truly a lovely fabric. And it's nice and cool and breezy for summer. And I just wanted to show you, instead of doing a narrow hem on the flounce, what I did is use my serger to do a rolled hem, and I really like the effect. I think it gives it, some texture, some, little visual interest, and yeah, I think it looks great. I really like how the skirt is. This is definitely a win in my book. So if you're thinking about making this skirt or a skirt in general, I highly recommend Simplicity 8606. So let me just show you a bit. So the skirt here, the pattern, take a look. See, it's just so flowy, flirty, whatever you want to call it. I love the little tie. It's just really cute. And I wore it today at work for the first time, and I got a lot of compliments, and people basically want to buy it. So yeah, and the fabric too, I highly recommend the rayons from Joann. They are quality, and if you can get them half off on a sale, that's a steal. So thanks for watching, everyone.